Hello guys and welcome to your channel Cyber Academy, and for this video we will be explaining to you guys about file extensions. They cover mostly, let's say, a vast majority of what you'll be doing in your day-to-day practices on your computer, and you need to know how to identify them. And for beginners, file extensions are just suffixes that actually identify a file or actually come at the end of a file name. After the dot or the full stop, what follows is a suffix or the file extension. For movies, we have mp4 dot mkv, mov, avi, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now we have this. I'll be showing you just some of the files here, and basically or generally these file extensions varies from sections. Like for videos, we have a lot of video file extensions ranging from the ones I just called. For music, like your mp3, um M4A, AAC, Opus, a lot of them. For pictures, we have like your PNG, JPEG, they're actually in here. JPEG, PNG, and actually, I did set mine to show the file extension. You can use this option, show file name extensions, and this will actually give you your file name extensions. And mind you, or pay close attention, some applications have specific file name extensions that only works with them. Like for your Photoshop, it ends with .psd and it can only be used within Photoshop. For your documents, which is .docx or Word document, it can be used with multiple applications like your MS Office, Word, or like your OPS Office, Library Office now, Open Office. They all can use or manipulate a docx or an XLSX, which is an Excel um, document, or let's say your PowerPoint, your presentation slides. Okay, that's that. And now I have zip files here. These are zip files, and let's say I will try to download. I don't know if I can get a bash script online because I think my Windows can't detect it. Okay, it can't, but I have other tools here that my Windows can detect. Okay, let's say we head into tools. I have PS4 here. These are tools for PS4. They are PKG files. They work on PS4. These are for PS4, and mind you, Mac OS also allows PKG files for installation, not these ones, but you can find out that it's showing just blank. I can't use it. I can't use them on my PC. I can't. It asks me to select an application that can open those PKG files, but I have none at the moment because I don't use them. If you know the file extension, then you know what you can do with them. You understand what tools you can get for them to operate. If I need a PKG file editor now, I will just go online and search for a PKG file editor, and then I'll be getting one. Let's say I use this one. Sorry, use Ghost. Let's say, okay, come on, got it. PKG editor exe for executable. I'm looking for a Windows execute. Damn, this connectivity. I think my network will be slow. I'm using exe for Windows executable for it to get me a Windows executable file. And mind you, there are a lot of them for Windows. We have like exe, MSI, Apex, and so on and so forth. Apex bundle, I mean, sorry. And these are bin files which I can't access in my Windows PC, except I'm using a tool specifically made for that. Okay, and now if I actually use this, I have like folders here. This is a PKG file also. These are PKG files also. I can't access them from now. Okay, for your Python file you have .py, and also for your index, so your HTML you have .html, which is index.html, index being the prefix, and the dot identifying the suffix that is coming at the end, which is dot. Sorry, HTML. So now let's see if this connectivity issue. My network is slow. So if you actually want to manipulate a file now, let's say not just manipulate, you actually want to get things done within a particular set of file, then it will be very simple. You can actually convert files also from different file extension. Let's say I use Word. You can convert this file like when using a save as option. Even with Photoshop, you can convert this file by using your save as option, like save as. When using the save as, you'll be getting a lot of options here. You can even convert a Word document to a PDF document. instantaneously, or you can just print them as a PDF document inside your PC using your Control P options. So now we have this one. I'll just save at first using the Control S. There should be a dialog box. If not, then okay, close, save. It should give me a dialog box for saving. Come on, I'm waiting. Okay, so now I'll just save this one as a document, or I can just save it. You can see now we have these we have PDF, web page. For HTML, we can actually convert a Word document to an HTML document. These are for TXT. They are all available there. I can just select TXT and save, and if I save it as a TXT file, it will be showing as a TXT file, not as a documented file. They all have their icons and they all have tools that we can actually use to work with them. If I have a TXT file now, let's say I create a TXT file on the document, I think there'll be nothing there. Okay, or just, these are for Access databases, for MS Office. Let's say I'll be using a text document. Now we have text document. We have a Microsoft Access database, which is ACCDB Access database. That is the file extension. We have a bitmap image, a Microsoft Word document, which is a .docx document, PowerPoint, Publisher, and also WinRArchive if I want to create a WinRArchive, which is a zip or a RAR. Okay, now for text document, I'll just say text document, click it, and now when it opens, it will be given a TXT file, which is this new text document.txt. It identifies the file as a TXT document. And now if I try to open this, I'll be given options. Like, I cannot only open it with Notepad and Visual Studio Code because they are the only ones compatible with it in my PC at the moment. Or I can try using another application, but I think I'll be getting an error message here. Okay, I can try using Portlayer, PyCharm, which is an IDE I use for my Python coding, and also these are all options, but it won't be working with this. If I try, like, it will be giving an error message. So now I find out this is a TXT file. I don't know if this thing has loaded. Damn, this network. Sorry, I'm sorry, but that's my bad. I'm having a bit of connectivity issues. So, like, if you find out that the application is having that file extension, then you actually need to get a tool that supports that file extension. And mind you, the same goes for EPUB. I have a lot of EPUB files here. These are EPUB files, but I can't use them currently because I have no EPUB reader here. I only have comics reader. I think I have comic books here, which I did install a comic reader for. I think these are the ones. I have comic books here. These are the comic books I have, and I can actually use them because the tool I'm using, you are seeing the icon at the top down, the bottom. Sorry, right, bottom right, you are seeing the icon of the tool I'm using, which is Yak Reader. It is what I'm using to actually read comics on my PC that I downloaded for my personal stuff, and that's how you can actually get tools. If actually uninstall this Yak Reader and also the Comic Rack I'm using, or which is currently installed on my PC, you'll find out that these applications or the tools, or sorry, these CBC or CBR files will be showing you blank because there will be nothing in this PC that I can actually use to manipulate or work with them, except I can download a comic book reader online and install it on my PC for me to actually get access to be using them. I think that's all for today. Oh, sorry, sorry, my bad. And like I said, there are a lot of these applications online or exe format that I was talking about. You have like your ISO, the ISO also. Let's go to tools. I think I have my applications here and softwares. These are some of them. I have my exe. A lot of them are exe format for Windows. Most of them are basically exe files. So if you want to download, this is an MSI application. This is an MSI, okay. But a lot of them, most of them are, and this is like ACS5. It is a skin package for AMP. It is a skin package for AMP. It has its own specific file extension. These are applications MSI, and this is the Yak Reader that I actually use to read my comics on my PC. And for this one, we have in my Conv one, I think this should be an ISO file. This is an ISO file, but I actually made it specifically to recognize WinRAR as the default. Okay, so now I have this one here. which is .iso. I can get